Good morning, children. This is Venugopal sir for Little Hearts Publications with EVS Book 4, Lesson 4, People at Work. And we are going to learn in this particular lesson occupation, sharing work at home, and gender and work. In the beginning, you can see two pictures there. Under let us start. It is a kind of introduction to what we are going to learn as a part of this lesson. It's given there. For example, on the left side picture, what do you see there, children? And he is giving a clue there. I wear a yellow hat. I help to put out fires. I drive a fire engine. Who am I? Can you answer, children, that one? A firefighter. Who is that? A firefighter. Second, right side picture. Can you identify the person there in that picture? I wear a white coat. You see me when you are ill. I help to make you well. Who am I? Can you answer? Yes? Children, can you answer that question? Yes, it's a nurse. Nurse we see at the hospitals with the doctors, and they look after us when we join there in the hospitals. They give us medicines now and then, time to time, according to the doctor's prescription. So, in this world, everybody, every human being, every one of us needs food to eat, clothes to wear, and a house to live in. Isn't it, children? These are our basic needs. Food to eat, clothes to wear, and a house to live in. At the same time, to fulfill all these needs, to buy food, or to buy clothes, or to build a house, what do we need? We need money. How can we earn money? We can earn money when we do some work. We have to do some work to earn money. With that money only, we can buy food, we can get clothes, we can buy clothes, and we can build a house. To earn money, we need to do some work. Okay? So, any work that is done to earn money is called occupation. Whatever work you do. Now, we talked about two people there in the picture. One is a firefighter, a fireman, another one is a nurse. Why do they do these jobs there? The fireman puts out fires, the nurse helps the patients there in the hospital. Why do they take up such activities? That is their work, because to earn money, that is their occupation. Nursing is an occupation, firefighting is also an occupation. In the same way, carpentry is an occupation, agriculture is an occupation. Doctor, becoming a doctor or treating patients is an occupation, teaching is an occupation. So these all come under occupations. So what can be called an occupation? Any work that anybody does, any work that you do to earn money is called occupation. Okay, children. Now suppose there is a person who does agriculture. He works in the fields. But there is a doctor or lawyer or engineer, they need some special training and education. Agriculture anybody can do, whether you are educated or not, agriculture you can do. Whether you are educated or not, you can become a carpenter. Whether you are educated or not, you can become a cobbler. You can become a goldsmith. You can become an ironsmith or a blacksmith. But for some jobs, which are called professions. Professions are the jobs that need special training and education. An uneducated person or who doesn't have a special training or education cannot become a doctor. He cannot become an engineer. He cannot become an astronaut. He cannot become a scientist. All these Professions, these are called professions. What are professions, children? Carefully listen to me. Professions are jobs that need special training and education. And those people who do special jobs like this are called professionals. So, doctor is a professional, engineer is a professional, scientist is a professional. Like this, people who perform special jobs, those who need special training and education are called professionals. In the same way, some people take up the work of mechanic, doing mechanism or repairing vehicles, repairing the things which are spoiled or which are not working properly. In the same way, mechanic, potter, cobbler. Cobbler means a person who mends or stitches shoes which are torn. Shoes are chappals. And who also, you might have seen them people sitting by the side of the road, polishing the shoes and mending the shoes if they are torn. All these are things done by a cobbler. A plumber is a person who makes water come out through pipes there in our house. There are, you look at your house, children, in the bathrooms, in the kitchen, you can see several pipes through which once you turn the tap on, you can get water. All these pipes are arranged by a plumber. A person who does this kind of work is called a plumber. These people like potter means a person who makes pots, who makes things made of clay or mud. You might have seen potter, a pot. A person who makes pots, person who makes diyas that you use to light lamps during the Diwali days. They are called pramidalu in Telugu, pramida. So, people like mechanic, potter, cobbler and plumber need special skills. They need not have any special training or special education. These people need special skills. Means the special ways of doing something. Look at the people, some people who do different works, let us see. Some people let us meet. Aman is a tailor. What does a tailor do, children? A tailor stitches clothes for us. A tailor stitches clothes for us. Aman is such a tailor, he stitches clothes. He uses a sewing machine, needles, scissors and thread to do his work. And what are the things that a tailor needs to stitch the clothes? Can you say, children, what are these things that a tailor needs to do? A tailor generally uses a sewing machine, needles, scissors and a thread. These are needed for stitching clothes. So a tailor uses these tools, a sewing machine, needles, scissors and a thread. He learnt this work from his father, who was a very famous tailor. So we can understand that such kind of professions like tailoring, pottery, carpentry, plumbing, all these jobs are generally inherited from the ancestors or parents. So Aman's father was a famous tailor. So he learned the art of stitching the clothes from his father. Now he stitches clothes. He also is trying to become famous. Like that, you can see Manoj is a cobbler. Cobbler is a person who mends, a person who polishes our shoes and mends or repairs shoes or chappal. He is called a cobbler. You can see that there the picture of a cobbler. Sometimes your shoe or a chappal gets torn and he stitches there. He mends them. Mends means repairs. He mends and polishes the shoes and also repairs the zips of bags and purses. Sometimes you can see him repairing the bags, zips of bags. Sometimes zips get stuck, zips get spoiled. He removes them and then he arranges proper zip there, and he sometimes cobblers do these things also, zips of bags and purses. And he also learned this skill from his father. So skills are generally obtained from our immediate elders, like our father. If most of the time you see, if a person is a cobbler, his son automatically learns the same thing. If a person is a tailor, his son or daughter also starts learning those kind of art skills. He learned these skills from his father. He is very skillful and has a dream to establish his own shoe factory. And this Manoj, who is a cobbler, wants to set up his own shoe factory because he is very good at mending shoes. He is very skillful in mending the shoes. Now, next one is Abhigyan. Abhigyan is a doctor. Now, already I told you, doctor is a professional. To become a doctor and to treat the patients, you need special training and special education, higher education to become a doctor and to treat the patients. So, Abhigyan is a doctor. He treats sick people. He diagnoses various diseases and prescribes medicines to the patients. So, what are the duties of a doctor? A doctor treats the sick people. He prescribes medicines for them. He performs operations on them sometimes. And he also diagnoses. Diagnoses means what? He also tries to point out and find out what is the kind of disease that a particular patient is suffering from. That is what is called diagnosis. So, can you become a doctor automatically? No, you need special training, you need special education also for that. And Abhigyan had worked very hard to become a doctor, to complete his MBBS. Okay, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. MBBS means what? Bachelor of Medicine and a Bachelor of Surgery. So Abhigyan had worked a lot to become a doctor by completing his MBBS degree. Bhushan is a potter. Who is called a potter? A person who makes pots or diyas, I told you already. He belongs to a village in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a small state located in the northern part of India, almost at the foot of the Himalayas. So, this man Bhushan is a potter who belongs to a village in Uttarakhand. He makes beautiful pots with clay. Wonderful pots he makes with clay. Clay means mud. His pottery is famous in the nearby cities too. He makes so wonderful pots. His pottery, his art of making pots or diyas is called pottery. His pottery is famous all over the cities, nearby cities. He uses his potter's wheel to make pots, gharas, surahis, diyas, etc. So, how does a potter make his wheel, make the pots? By using his potter's wheel. Okay, children. Potters use their potter's wheels to make pots. Surahis means big pots like this, or gharas and diyas. Diyas means, as I told you, the small containers in which we pour oil and light lamps during the Diwali days. Okay, children. Now, Ali is a mechanic. Next one is these all need special skills. There is no need for special education here for these professions. These are also professions only, but these need only skills, no special education, no special training. Ali is a mechanic. He has good hands to work on vehicles. He really repairs vehicles very well. He is considered to be a very good mechanic. He started his career as a helper. In a mechanic shed, he started his working as a helper first. Slowly, he learned the art of repairing vehicles, four-wheelers or two-wheelers, whatever it is. Over the years, he learned the art of repairing vehicles. Now, he is a chief mechanic at a garage. Now, he became a chief mechanic at a big garage, earning thousands of rupees. His dream is to open a garage of his own. A garage is a place where cars are washed or they are repaired. So, Ali's dream is to start a garage of his own. Okay, children. Prashant is a computer engineer, but computer engineer is that he needs to become a computer engineer. You need a special training, you need special education also. He completed his engineering after school. He studied day and night to make his career. Now he works in a multinational company and earns a handsome salary. So to become a computer engineer, you need to work a lot. You need to work very hard. And of course, Prashant also worked a lot. After completing his school, he completed his engineering. And he studied day and night. He worked very hard, as I told you, to make his career. Now he works in a multinational company as a computer consultant, and he is getting a handsome salary, a very good salary he is earning also. But to become a computer engineer, you need special training and special education. Besides these, there are many other people whose work is very important for us. Don't think that these are the only people whom we need. There are many other people who take up different jobs to earn money. All those people also are important for us in the society. For example, a teacher teaches in the school. Teaching is a profession, I told you already. A teacher teaches at school. This is also a profession. A pilot flies an aircraft. Suppose you want to travel to far away or other cities or other countries, you have to travel by an aeroplane. A pilot flies an aeroplane. Everybody cannot fly an aeroplane. A chef cooks food. Usually, chef means a cook. Person who cooks food in big hotels or restaurants is called a chef. A farmer grows food crops. We all know that. Without farming, farming is an occupation. Farming is nothing but agriculture. A person who takes up the profession of agriculture is known as a farmer. Farmer grows crops for us, food grains for us. A postman takes our letters and hands them over to whomever we want to send the letters. A clown, a joker in a circus makes us laugh. And a washerman washes our clothes. These are also very useful people for the society. They do also some jobs. They need no special education for that, but to become a teacher or a pilot, you need a special training and special education. You can see the pictures there of the teacher, an engineer. Now, sharing work at home. Already we discussed in the previous classes that every member of the family does some work. Means all the members of the family share their work among themselves. If we do so, the work becomes easier and will be finished in less time. So if we share the work at home, the work will be finished in a quick time and nobody will get extra burden. Only one person, if he does there in the family and other remaining members do not share the work, what happens? The work goes on throughout the day. So if everybody in a family shares the work becomes easier and it will be finished in less time. No one will get overburdened. Okay, children. Do you help at home? In what way do you help your parents or other members of the family at home? As we told you just now, that we need to share works there at home with the parents and with other members of the family, because sharing the works helps to complete the work quickly, easily. And gender and work. Sometimes we think that in the olden days, earlier many jobs were reserved only for men, like flying an aircraft, driving an auto rickshaw, etc. Now in the olden days, most of the jobs were meant for only men. There were only men conductors in buses, men drivers there in the trains, and men only flying aircraft. All these, and to ride an auto rickshaw or to drive a car or a taxi, earlier those jobs were meant only for men. But now women also can do any work. Women pilots are there now, women drivers of trains are there, women drivers of buses are there, women conductors are there. So gender means what? Male or female, any gender. Male, feminine gender, masculine gender. Feminine gender means what? Female. Masculine gender means males. Okay, children, so men and women can do different kinds of jobs now. All can do every job. There is no specific job that is only meant for either men or women. Similarly, some jobs were only done by women, like fashion designing and hairstyling. Earlier in the olden days, some of the jobs were only done by women, done by only women, like fashion designing and hairstyling. But now the time has changed. Boys and girls get equal opportunities, educational opportunities. Every boy and every girl has got equal opportunities. Now women engineers are there, women doctors are there. So they do any type of work. Women have also reached the topmost positions in our country. Already we know that our 7th President, Pratibha Patil, was a woman. She was the President of India between 2007 and 2012. Pratibha Patil was a woman. You can see Kiran Bedi there, first Indian woman officer of police, first Indian woman to complete IPS, Kiran Bedi. Sunita Williams was a great astronaut. She is also a woman. And Susmita Sen was a great actress. You can see the pictures there. Sunita Williams holds the record of the longest stay in the space by a woman. So Sunita Williams, incidentally, is the woman who spent the longest time in the space. Only woman to spend the longest time in the. So not only that, men also do not hesitate to do any kind of job which was earlier done by women only. For example, cooking. Now you see, most of the time in every house the cooking is done by women, but men also take up such kind of jobs. For example, today Sanjeev Kapoor is a famous chef, whereas earlier cooking was an area of work only for women. But today men and women are working together in every field. You understand, children? Earlier cooking was only meant for women. Only women were used to cook. Now a famous person, a famous chef, Sanjeev Kapoor, he is one of the topmost chefs in the country, topmost cooks in the country, working in 5-star hotels. So like that, nowadays men and women are working together in every field. Okay, children? This is how people at work, they do different kinds of works. With this, we come to the end of the lesson. The key for these exercises will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Thank you.